Atopolo, ati konko. What differences?
Darling, once a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solutions, Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, and everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
Atopolo, ati konko. What differences?
I will never find another lover more sweeter than you, more sweeter than you. Ha. And I will never find another lover more precious than you, more carry you fine share. Waiting happen, make them they die, they go. Today not today. More precious than you, more precious than you. Oh baby, you're close to me, you're like my mother. Close to me, you're like my father. Close to me, you're like my sister. Today not die. Wait, you don't date now. Where's my baby boy? I don't want to be late too. Girl, you are close to me, you're like.
Mommy! Senior! He's back, oh! He's back.
How are you?
You look choppy, Mommy.
This is no time for double mind. Oh, yeah, make me go.
Welcome back. Hey, everybody come and see, oh! Come and see. Hey! Let's go.
Kasa, Shogoto, even you Kumbi.
See, I am do Valentine for you. Chief, please, come in. We have a lot of goodies for you.
Darling. Where's my baby boy? Oh, my Romeo is back. The witch is hammer. Hey! This night I don't have. Hey! The witch is hammer.
Oh, don't worry me. We would like to start from here.
Stop!
Continue.
Oh, don't worry me. would like to show appreciation to our darling husband on Valentine's Day.
Long life and more loving anxiety.
Baby boy, I'm coming to get you.
Carol, stay up, oh, stay up.
Honey.
Stay up, Carol, stay up.
It's okay. Honey?
Oluworimi has to open this ring.
Eat. Darling, moi.
Senior.
Mommy.
Can you not?
What disturbances?
Mommy, we thought you were calling us to come and have our food.
Did you hear the bell?
But Mommy, it's time for our dinner now.
It's our dinner.
Did you hear the bell before coming for dinner? Eh?
Let's go back.
Come back 1 hour later.
No, 1 hour. That one is too small. It's too early. I beg both of you.
But we have not eaten.
What did you say?
Nothing, Bambi.
Well, good, obedient children. Go out and come back when you hear the bell. If you don't go out,
Some wine.
Thank you very much. My wonderful wife.
Oluworimi, it so gladdens my heart to hear you, Oluworimi, call me wonderful.
So, who didn't he call wonderful?
Let us keep the peace. Yeah. Let us keep the peace. Yeah. Peace. Chicken. Ready? Why? Kobe.
See, the wedding is 5 days to go.
Sorry.
Yes, so, darling, my age grade meeting, Chief, darling, moi. I'm hoping for your support too, financially, morally, and socially.
Oh, no worry, me too. If we don't pay that agent on time, I will miss that shop. Oh, no worry me, please. Please, if I miss it, there will be tragedy, please.
Look. Let us not worry about problem on this special day. Let us enjoy ourselves.
Don't worry me.
My wedding sister daughter, too important to forget.
Babe, don't worry on Valentine's Day. Why?
Don't worry me easy. Before you drink too much, let us just settle this business at once. Give me the check now.
Well,
what is all this one now? Look, and peace.
Chicken. Darling, that one is not a problem, this my age grade meeting. Let us settle it. I will need 200,000 only.
I better go and change.
Oh, honey, darling, moi. Darling. Oh, enjoy the chicken.
Don't worry. I would have given you more wine, but I don't want you to drink too much. Let us just finish this business at once. Give me the check now.
Abi, for the Ashwebi, I will use 5 yard. You will use 10 yard for a father.
No, Kumbi, I said that one will come later.
No, now.
Am I under imprisonment?
No, worry me. Please don't put it like that. Okay. Yes. It's only good that lovers fulfill their promises on Valentine's Day.
Yes,
Go some more wine.
Okay, more wine. More wine.
Darling.
Push it down.
Darling.
See? No work, you. No work. Trust her, no work. Valentine.
Make nobody just worry me. I buy for now. I beg, make una just pay for the trousers, so make una pay.
Senior, as I'm standing here, I don't have 1 naira.
Gini? Bia ireti. Pay your money, oh. Ngwa mama moji.
Money for trouser. I send you. Look, I don't have money for trouser. Bank coin. Show abo. Shokoto. Bo jabo ko mulo.
Who do you want me to sell second-hand trouser to? Mama Moji. Mama Moji, bamba. You wait, Dimoko. Don't try me. Don't try me, oh.
I try you. If I try you, kilo fashion plan no work. Trouser fail.
Iga fukita.
Senior, don't commit murder. Don't commit murder.
I go pray.
But senior.
Me chase for Gubiko. I beg, give me my money.
Take.
Bia, what is this?
Balance for my food which we unity cook for Chief.
Mama Moji, your money is not complete, oh. Your money still remain 2,000 naira. Don't just try me. Which kind of anyway, your own. Buy the ever. Ireti.
Yes.
Give me your money.
You brought a failed idea, yet you want the money back. Come on. Go. Oh, what you see, Jenny I don't have 10 kobo. After all, your idea failed though.
Same to you. One more.
I don't have.
One more give me my money.
If I
touch you,
if I touch you, you brought a failed idea, yet you want the money back. Come on.
Waiting for me. Hey, Mama Uche, I don't want that one. I don't just want that one. He's like Chief and Karudu.
Hey! Thank you, sweetness. I am his one and only true van.
Money.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji house of commotion, creating practical solutions. Fuji house of commotion. And everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect the spectral union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion, catering practical solutions. A Fuji house of commotion.